The 1969 Camaro is the indisputable king of Chevrolet muscle cars, and they're pretty much guaranteed to maintain their desirability. But what about folks who want something a little different? Something that makes spectators stop and do a double take? Well, this bright F body is what they've been looking for. Fully sorted and ready for years of endless cruising, this silky, real-deal Supersport is the beneficiary of a thorough rotisserie restoration. Once the coupe's body was massaged to better-than-new condition, a brilliant coat of correct Rallye Green 2-stage was accented with white Supersport fender stripes. And today the car rolls as one very well-done classic that's ready to be the center of attention both on the road and at the show. Inside, you'll find a correct ivory houndstooth interior that has to be one of the most stylish cockpits ever created. TMI-upholstered seats frame a factory console that's fitted with a chrome Hurst shifter and 4-pack accessory gauges. The dash frame's Deluxe gauges and controls for modern climate control, and the driver spins a wood-rimmed steering wheel on a tilting column. Lift the hood to reveal a GM Performance Parts ZZ427 that's rated for 480 horsepower. That mill sends power through a Muncie 4-speed back to a 12-bolt rear with a posi-traction differential. When it comes to muscle cars, it's hard to go wrong with any classic that's named Camaro. But how many chances do you get to purchase a Camaro that's well built, wisely modded, and genuinely unique? This cool coupe is your chance to stand out. For more information, call, click, or visit arcademotors.com.